Hello everyone, this is Z. I'm come from CST Security technology, and today I will show you how to quick set up the NVR and the XVR system. Once you unbox your NVR, so you get your NVR itself and the power supply and some have the mouse. And today I will show you how to connect two different camera. So right now you need three cable. One cable for NVR itself is connect to internet. The other one for connect to your camera. So you can see right here you got internet port, and the rest of it is a PoE port. That port you need to connect your internet cable to your router or your internet switch, and the rest of the PoE port you can directly connect to your camera. When we turn on the recorder, so we just exit right here, and for the first login, we default password is 12345. So just simply to put 12345 and log in and modify later. Okay, and then we can right here see the dates. Okay, next. We recommend you turn on the DHCP. So you turn on the DHCP and then next. Because for we text the recorder, we didn't add the HDD. So right here is no HDD. That's right here. So we just confirm it's okay. So if you just install the HDD right here, you can see the HDD, and you will go the format HDD. And after that, we next it. So right here, we just plug the two cameras. So you can see right here, the two cameras are already showing up. So you can view the picture right here. So you didn't do anything, you just read that showing up. So, and we next. And right here, you can just modify your password, or you can keep the 12345. It all depends on you. Okay, and we finished. So we back right here. So you get a two picture. You can move the picture. You drive the picture right here, and you can if you only two camera, you just display mode, full screen mode. So you can play the playback because we don't have the HDD right here. If you get a playback, so you can see all the footage right here, and some of the setting. This one is channel setting for the camera. So once you have the more camera, you can plug and play and search. You can see all camera right here and add it. That's it. That's really all I want to show you how to quick set up the NVR right here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and contact us. This is the phone number and this is the email.